Georgia is marked on a startup global map. What made it to become on a global map? There are several pillars which made it happen, and there are the issues which are helping startups to grow in Georgia. First pillar is the environment, startup-friendly environment, which means that regulatory framework has been rapidly developing. Georgia's Innovation and Technology Agency is actively working to simplify procedures for startups, to make it a better place and to make it as a regional spot. On that regard, we have developed the law on innovation. We are promoting the crowdfunding regulation as well as innovation procurement. So JITA is continuously working on regulatory framework development. Another pillar is access to services and access to skills. On the skills development side, we are on the one hand raising awareness about innovation, entrepreneurial activity. The skills has been rapidly developing, and we have the strong background of mathematics and physics skills. On that regard, we are developing entrepreneurial learning through boot camps for startups, for students, and for pupils. This made happen to have the more innovative ideas and more startups on the global map. On the other side, we are developing the IT skills, and IT specialists are also massively growing. On the other side, we are also raising the skills through the acceleration program. We have already introduced the 500 Startups Acceleration Program. 500 Startup, which is a global leader in accelerator, has already entered Georgia's market. Georgia's market is a regional spot, as a regional program through which we are trying to promote the skills and entrepreneurial knowledge. The third program is for startups who are already trying to go on global market. This is a matching grant through which you have to mobilize 650,000 Georgian lari from private sector, and JITA is matching that fund with the 650,000 Georgian lari. This program is for scale-up startups, those who want to develop the program and those who are already having the traction and they are trying to scale up on global market. This is also giving you ability to get access to finance as well as to the mentorship program. The experts who are conducting the due diligence of your project are ensuring that your innovative idea is sustainable and is for global market. So enjoy the access to finance programs, and let's move to the infrastructure projects. Innovation infrastructure is also crucial for startups to, on the one hand, get access to the physical facility for co-working space, for networking, for also access to the training facilities, as well as the space where you can get to know the people which will be involved in your innovative ideas. The innovation infrastructure means that we are developing the tech parks in Tbilisi as well as in the regions. The facility gives you also access to makerspace, so-called Fabrication Laboratory, Fab Lab, where you also are prototyping the idea, where you are getting the access to the makerspaces, 3D printers, laser cutters, PCB and other high-tech equipment, which is helping you to develop hardware startup products. Let's move to the scientific background where Georgia is having significant history. R&D commercialization is very important for innovation promotion in the country. Georgia is having very strong background of scientific skills. In this direction, Georgia is promoting, and through JITA's programs, we are promoting so-called tech transfer program. This means that we're assessing the commercialization potential of research institutes, and we're trying to help those projects to transfer their scientific researches into the industries. This is also helping to commercialize the innovative and deep tech applied research's commercialization. Combination of these pillars are ensuring effective and successful startup ecosystem development. Your role is to come up with innovative idea, get access to the services, use the opportunities, and scale up on global market.